Susan.
Somebody close the damn window, will you? Boo! Got a boo hat on.
Boo! Even me to look like Jack the Ripper.
Look, well, she's a monk.
I said, that bad?
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
Looks good. Looks good.
Let's see.
Linda, don't take my picture.
Too late now.
No. In the train. Your mouth good. Cookie, did it hit, Mom?
What happened?
He's green.
He's green?
He's green.
There's dye on the...
Yeah, your mouth is green from the green Christmas tree. See? Yep. See? I'm doing the tree.
Now we're bringing in the kids. They're gonna make us
Take his hood off for a minute. Hold it, the green cookie. He just asked you to hold it and he threw it. Dropped it.
Wait, I think you need to give her the Jesus
We got two of them. We got two.
You might want to turn in your rosary there, lady. You off the train. People are having too much fun out here.
We haven't even left the station.
You never know.
I'm coming on, hold on.
Once, right?
Really? She was misdemeanor.
Where are you going, child?
Don't do what she said.
What you got? You got a toy? What is that?
Here, take my picture. I want to see what I look like these days sometimes. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Go over there so I can write. Okay. Is that it? Well, yeah, hi. It's 2007. We're getting ready to ride the conch train in Key West, Florida. It's probably about, what, 72 degrees. We're freezing. So, we're all bundled up. To all you people in New York, we love you. Bye.
That's all blue.
Green, from the green Christmas tree cookie.
You're not with her.
Uh-oh. Did you drop something?